In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to WordPress admin the easy way. We'll walk through a simple path on WordPress.com that helps you quickly get to the tools you need to access and customize your WordPress admin login. Start by heading to the Sites area on WordPress.com. Make sure you're signed into your WordPress.com account so you can see your site or start a new one if needed. From the dashboard, look for the Plugins option. This is where you can add functionality to your site, including tools that streamline how you reach your admin login and personalize that screen. Open the Plugins section, then use the search bar. Type Admin Login into the search field. This narrows results to plugins focused on login access and the login screen. In the results, look for the plugin titled Customize Your WordPress Login Screen. Amazingly, Add, Own Logo, Add social profiles, login form positions, background image slideshow. Click the result to open its details, and if you see a preview card first, click through again to view the full plugin page. On the plugin page, take a moment to review the information tabs. Click Description to understand what the plugin does in plain language and how it improves your login experience. Next, open Installation to see how it connects to your site on WordPress.com. Then check Changelog to confirm the plugin is actively maintained and compatible with recent versions. Finally, review FAQs for quick answers to common setup questions. Spending a minute here can save you time later and ensures you know exactly what to expect. When you're ready, click Get Started. WordPress.com will guide you to connect the plugin with a site and domain. You'll see options related to domains. Use the search field if you want to find and register a new domain. If you already own a domain elsewhere and plan to keep using it, choose the option to bring it over to WordPress.com. This initiates a straightforward flow for using your existing address with your WordPress.com site. Proceed through the prompts, then click Continue to confirm your choice. Depending on your plan and domain selection, you may see pricing or transfer steps. Follow the on-screen guidance and only proceed when everything looks right. Once this setup is complete, you'll have access to the plugin settings to customize your login screen, making your admin access clearer and more professional. A quick tip: after setup, bookmark your site's login page so you can reach it faster next time. And always keep your credentials secure. That's it, an easy path on WordPress.com to locate the right tools,